Hello to you, my people. Welcome back to Venvenmusic and Country Life. Today, I'll be showing you how to make this juice that will burn your belly fat or your body fat fast with your exercise and with your healthy eating as well. But drink this juice and it will definitely allow you to burn body fat fast. Remember, if you have not yet joined the Venvenmusic and Country Life family, click that subscription button below, leave me a thumbs up, and yes, remember to share this video with your friends and your family and let them know. Remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. So our first ingredient is our grapefruit. So I will peel the grapefruit around the sides and cut it open and remove the seeds, and then I will squeeze the juice into my container. Then I will add a medium cucumber. Then I will add my ginger. Then I will add my Bragg's apple cider vinegar. With this mix, I will not add any water. So the grapefruit juice along with the juice from the cucumber, the apple cider vinegar as well, is what will make the juice potent. Now you can blend.
And there you have it, a drink to burn belly fat fast. Thank you for joining Venvenmusic and Country Life today. Remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy.